Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve the problem based on mean or average. How to calculate the average of this data set. Let this is a data set of a random numbers. To find the average or mean, we use the formula mean or average. It is the formula sum of all the numbers, sum of all the numbers divide by total count of numbers. Total count of numbers. So you have to add all of these numbers. 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 13. Divide by how many are these numbers? This is, you can count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add them, 8, 10, 18, 31. Divide by 5. If you divide it, you will get 6.2. It means 6.2 is the number about which most of the data is clustered. It means most of the data is distributed about 6.2. This is what is represented by the average. Okay, you can also say that if each number is distributed equally, then what would be each number? If these all numbers are distributed equally, then the what would be each number? Then that number will be 6.2. This is what represented by the average. Okay, we will also do this parallelly using the Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's move to the Microsoft Excel. We will perform the same thing here, but Microsoft using Microsoft Excel is one advantage. Their built-in formula is given and we have to only select the range. But I would like to tell you one thing in Microsoft, how to calculate the average. See, numbers are written like this in the cells. These are called cells, and you have to select the cell in which data is present. Okay, then we will write the formula. Okay, each formula in Microsoft Excel start with equal sign, and then you will write the function you are calculated. Okay, the built-in function in Microsoft Excel is average. Okay, this is the formula, and here we write parameters. It means those numbers we want to calculate the average. Okay, it is num1, num2, and so on. Okay, let's move to the Microsoft Excel. This is the Microsoft Excel. You can search it. Here search option is given. Type Microsoft Excel, and you have to use a blank sheet. Okay, in the blank sheet just type numbers. Okay, I have increase the size of these numbers. When you enter, the numbers will be small like this. Okay, this is another question. I would like to tell you how to do that. First, we have the same numbers here. Okay, we want to calculate the average. Now understand here, we want to calculate average in this cell. Okay, I tell you how to calculate the average. First, you have to write the formula equal. You can write either in small letters or capital letters. Okay, but I would prefer only capital letters because it is easy to read them. Write average. When you start writing average, you see the some things come here. Average, dv, average, average A, average if. Okay, you have to choose the average, or you can type whole function AVERAGE. Okay, average, then small bracket which we call parenthesis. Now you have to choose number one, number two. Okay, so number one is this one 3. Okay, then you can put comma. Now you will say this is not the number we want, it is the address of this cell. Okay, see, it is A1, it means the data in the cell A1. Okay, you can choose either one by one to all the cells, or there is an option you have to click in the first cell, then then press press control key, shift key, and down arrow key. Okay, it will automatically select the data from the first cell to last cell. Now close this bracket, and now you have to enter to get the answer. Just press the enter key, and you can see we got the same answer here also. Okay, it is necessary to learn mathematics in the software. Okay, especially for the statics. Okay, we have seen how to calculate the average, but it is easy is it is easy to find the average manually or by hands when the data size is small. Like here we have 5 numbers only. Suppose we have hundred of numbers, thousand of numbers, then how will you calculate it? Okay, then it is not possible to calculate manually. Then we use any software. Okay, this is where software use comes. Okay, suppose this have we have this data. If I ask you to find the average of this data, first you will add, then you will count. Okay, then you will divide. It is very high chance that you may get wrong answer. Okay, okay, so we will find the answer of average again, using same formula. Okay, you have to only remember one thing. First, select the cell where you want to calculate the answer. Okay, I have selected here. See here, I am clicking again here. Okay, now press equal sign from your keyboard. Okay, again write average, AVERAGE, then parenthesis. Okay, now you have to select the range where your data is present. Okay, it is start from here. I will click here only. Okay, in the first cell where data is present. Now see, first in the first one we said there was only one column. Here many columns are present, so selection will be different. Okay, so only one thing, one key will be added, because we have to select right side also. Okay, press control key, shift key, then right arrow key. Okay, it is the right arrow key, it will select to the right of the data. Okay, now we have to select down data, because data is present downward also. Then press the down arrow. Okay, you have not to release the control and shift. Okay, okay, it is selected. You can see all the data has been selected. It is represented by these small lines. If you can see, these are running lines, shaded lines. Okay, now close the formula, and you have to enter to get the answer. You will get answer of this for the question. Okay, this is the answer for this data set. So it is that's why I am saying that you should know how to calculate the answer using software also. Okay, I hope you got at this. This was first video on statics, and we will continue to use this software. And we first, I would like to tell form to do manually question by hands. Then we will calculate the same results or advanced result in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you can share this video with your friends. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel also. We will meet again in the next section. Okay, thank you for watching it.